Hello people, welcome to my channel. My name is Alex. I'm working on Mercedes cars, engines. Today I continue building this engine. There are only some small parts and I have to cannibalize it from the old engine in the car. So let's continue. Now it has almost all European parts for the 300 horsepower engine, like the 3i exhaust, the oil cooling system, the camshafts, the injectors, because they are different too. So everything is the same except for one thing. Those are the pistons. They have a lower compression. That's the only difference. Just look at all those moving parts. It's beautiful to see. I also showed you the air conditioning problem. Well, it wasn't a problem at all, because since this is the Type 2, Mercedes thought about this part too. And it's very easy to get it loose, and it hangs out of the way and you can lift the engine. But it's not on the old style. If you have the first generation, there is this huge compressor and it's almost impossible to get it out while it's in the car. There are a lot of things I do off camera, small things like cleaning and painting small parts. I can show you one thing about one small part. Everybody knows these kind of rubber brackets. They tend to break off. But there's a trick if you want to repair them and you are a total douchebag, to go to the store and order a new one. I'll show you. It's a beautiful day today, and if I step out of my garage I can enjoy the forest. Let's take a moment. And a huge difference in quietness compared to last week where I was. I have 3 identical fuel mixes to choose from. This one came off this car, so I know that's working. This one is from a 300 horsepower one, but I'm not gonna use it. And this one originally came with that engine. That is a little part I salvaged from this one. It's a fuel line. And it has some nice brackets I can grind off, because this car is going to get an oil cooler like the 300 horsepower has. So it's this one. But not all of these cars have their welded mounting points. So there should be one over here and a little bracket over here that supports this, but it's not there, so I have to make it myself. That's why the fuel line comes in handy. So these fuel mixers, I've noticed some differences. This one came off the car. You see these bolts, the shape. This one is modern day style bolts, like a star. So I think this one might be refurbished at some point. So I think I'm gonna try this one, because this one also has a weaker valve. That one comes up straight away, while the angle is the same. Still not up. It's slower. But first, let's disconnect the last few things, motor mounts. And I have some cables and vacuum lines left. Still was working on repairing this. That's ugly. Okay, the moment is finally here. Let's get this sucker out. And now it is just a matter of good cleaning. See all the oil, spillage, dirt. I cleaned a little over here already. But yeah, lots more work to do. So I have to address that little rust issue there from the battery. And then reverse the whole process again. But then with a good engine, I hope. And here it sits on its final resting place for the moment. Now you can see what kills the engine power most, and that's the hilarious exhaust manifold. Look at that monster. That's the worst thing for this engine. I'm glad I'm rid of it. I'm not here to educate you all. I just show you what you're getting into when buying a car like this with these engines. If you like what I do here and want to support me, subscribe to the channel and push the like button. Until next time, thank you for watching. Bye.